can I have a grande iced decaf skinny vanilla latte?
Grande iced decaf skinny vanilla latte?
Yes, but instead of the non-fat milk, can I have almond milk?
Sure, what else can we have for you today?
Can you top that with cold cream?
Top it with what, I'm sorry?
The cold foam?
Yeah, we just can't do a non-dairy cold foam, is that alright?
Yeah, that's fine. And then can I also have a, do you have the apple cider donut?
Yeah.
Can I have one of those, please? And that's it.
Alright, and an apple donut.
Yes, thank you. Hi guys, I am back now from Target and getting all my running around done, but I am like a hot mess express. I didn't put any makeup on today. I just did my skincare and then left. And obviously my hair is just crazy. But anyway, I'm home now and my whole coffee experience was just awful today. So first of all, the coffee was delicious. It was like one of the best lattes I've had in a really long time from Starbucks. They did it right today, but I spilled it on myself 3 separate times. The first time I was getting out of my car to go into Target and I was on the phone with my mom and it like spilled up and like went into my purse and was like all over my shirt and all over my arm, so I was like super sticky. And then the second time was when I was leaving Target. Yes, it takes me that long to drink a grande iced latte. But I was leaving Target and you know those little like red bumps on the ground when you're like outside of the Target? That got me, cause yeah, so that got all over me and back in my purse again. And then the last time I was putting my groceries in the Jeep and there's like a little ledge thing that I put the coffee on, and I was like, you know what, this is spilled all over me. I don't want it to spill on my car, so I'm just gonna put it over here and then I'll get it when I'm done. So anyway, long story short, I ended up forgetting that it was there, closed the hatch, and it crushed my coffee and went everywhere. So yeah, that's what happened with that. But like I said, I am home now and I'm about to like go crazy on organizing and cleaning this house because it is a hot mess express, much like myself today. But I wanted to show you guys the vitamins that I got from Target. Actually, no, I got these at Giant Eagle, but I know that they do sell them at Target. But anyway, it is the Ollie Prenatals, and I haven't tried these yet, but I do the Ollie multivitamins, so I'm sure that these will be like just as delicious as that. And then I also got the Ollie Purely Probiotic because, as you guys know, I've been like super sick lately, so I think this will be good for overall gut health. And then I was really interested in the Ollie Vibrant Skin, and I'm excited to try this because I don't know, I just feel like my skin looks a little crazy lately, so I'm hoping that this will help. But yeah, so I'm about to take all of these and then just drink my Yeti tumbler full of water and get cleaning. It is 11:56, so I'll probably have lunch in like an hour and a half maybe. So I'll see you guys then. So this is what I'm gonna have for lunch. It's pretty much what I've been eating since I've been sick. But this stuff is like absolutely incredible. If you have a Giant Eagle or Market District close to where you live, try this out and let me know what you think, because it is seriously like my favorite chicken noodle. I won't buy any other kind now that I've had this one. I am just gonna heat it up in the microwave today because I am super busy and you guys know I'm like running around being a crazy person, but I'm going to heat this up in the microwave. Also, a little thing that I like to do, which is kind of weird I guess, but when I'm super busy and I don't like, I have to like eat kind of in a hurry, I put my hot food or like soup in Tupperware because it has like the little ledges on the side, so you can hold it and you can eat it quicker because you don't have to wait for it to like cool down as much to like hold the bowl or whatever. I don't know if that's weird, but little life hack that I do, if you can even call it a life hack, it's just something that I do. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that because I just don't have the energy to wait for my soup to cool down today, which I guess that kind of sounds a little lazy, but I'm just so busy, you guys. Like, I'm not even gonna show you my apartment right now because it is like crazy, but hopefully I can get this done today so that I can film my fall decor video because I'm really excited about it. I keep actually buying more and more fall decor, which more and more fall decor. But anyway, I have a lot of cool stuff that I want to show you guys, so I gotta get this done quick. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I'm catching up on Bachelor in Paradise while I get things going around here. And Leo is insane. Like, he's a nut job to me. I think he's absolutely insane, you guys. Anyway, so I finally found the LaCroix Key Lime. I've heard nothing but good things about it, but I haven't been able to find it anywhere. But I found it today at Target, so I'm going to taste it and see if it's as amazing as everyone says. Because like I've heard from friends, my mom's obsessed with it, like everyone loves it. So you guys, this is delicious. They were right. Ooh, that's like my favorite one. It really tastes like key lime. Like, it's so good. It's so refreshing. This is definitely my favorite LaCroix that I've ever had. So this is what I'm having for a snack. Just some raw Brazil nuts. Just having probably what's left in here, and that'll be good for a snack. Yeah, I'm still going strong with my living room and kitchen and all this, but like, so we painted the entire living room, and so it's like everything was just like put in the middle of the floor, and so everything's still like all over the place, and like we haven't put things back up. But anyway, I'm gonna end up doing a tour for you guys. I'm gonna do my fall haul, or my fall decoration tour, so you guys will see everything in detail then. But I'm still going strong. I'm still watching Bachelor in Paradise that I have DVR'd, and yeah, so I'm gonna go eat my snack and sit for a minute and watch Bachelor in Paradise. And I just found out who the new Bachelor is. I'm not gonna give any spoiler alerts, but you guys probably already know, but oh my goodness. So I have this episode and then one more left, and then I'll be all caught up, but goodness gracious, you guys. So I got this stuff at Whole Foods. It's Mediterranean feta salsa. And you guys, this stuff is amazing. It has like Kalamata olives, which are my favorite, and sun-dried tomatoes, which I love, and then like all kinds of other yummy stuff. Mediterranean food is like in my top 3 favorite kinds of foods. So I always have something Mediterranean like just going on in my kitchen, or in my fridge. So this is what I have currently, and I just had a couple bites of this. It's so good, but I don't have like any pita to put it on, so I just took like 2 small bites with a fork, and it totally like satisfied whatever craving I was having. So if you guys have this at your Whole Foods, definitely pick it up. It's super yummy. So something else that I've been doing a lot since I've been sick is drink Pedialyte every day. I've been drinking a little bit of Pedialyte every single day. Since when I was sick, I had to go to the hospital multiple times to get IV fluid because I was so severely dehydrated. Drinking water doesn't seem to be enough for me lately, so that's why I'm trying to stay hydrated and stay on top of it before it gets like out of hand like it did a few weeks ago. So this is the only flavor that I can really stomach that I've had. It's the Berry Frost, and yes, it is Pedialyte, so it's for kids that are sick, but it's also for adults. So if you are super dehydrated, I recommend trying Pedialyte because it's not as sugary as Gatorade, and honestly, I think it does like such a better job of rehydrating you quickly than like Gatorade or anything like that. So yeah, so I'm drinking it in like one of these, like a little tumbler thing, and it's actually a lot, but if I drink one of these a day, then I feel like it's been helping me to stay hydrated, so that's why I'm doing it. But it's actually something that I look forward to now. I think it's so tasty. but it has to be like freezing cold and I have to put ice on it. Otherwise I still can't. But yeah. I'm still finishing up Bachelor in Paradise, and I think I said earlier that it was like the season finale. It's not. It's just like a 3-hour episode or something. I think that's because they're gonna announce who the new Bachelor is. But either way, I just ordered some food from McAllister's, and it's on its way, but it's not gonna be here until like 8:15, 8:20. But I think I'm going to have one of these until, I'm just gonna eat one of these like to help curb my appetite because I'm starving. I haven't eaten in hours and the food's gonna take still a while to get here. So I'm gonna have one of these. If you guys have never had one, have one. They're so good. They're like totally a guilty pleasure. So yeah, I'm gonna have one of these and watch Bachelor in Paradise until my food gets here. All right, so our food is here from McAllister's, and I got the chicken Caesar wrap, so that's gonna be really good. And then it came with a side, so I got steamed broccoli, and it does not smell good. I don't know why broccoli smells so bad, but it does, but it's delicious. And then I thought this was gonna be a lot smaller because it was on the kids menu and it was like $2, but I got the kids baked potato. And that comes with cheese and bacon. Thanks again so much for watching, you guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you like to eat on super busy, crazy days when you're like running around. If it's anything like mine, let me know. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.